Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover deleted Excel worksheet. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is, at the bottom, you'll see that there are sheets here, and let's say you've deleted one of these sheets, right? So we right click, and let's say this one gets deleted. Now, there's no way to recover the actual sheet. What we need to do is make sure that if you look at the top left, auto save is off. And what you want to do is go over to the right hand side and close the program. Now you'll be prompted to save your changes. What you want to do is say don't save. Now if you don't save, it will not save the changes that you have now recently made, which may include deleting your Excel worksheet. Another thing, if you go up to File and look for Info, you may be able to manage your deleted workbooks straight from here, as well as your version history. So you can view and restore previous versions of this actual worksheet, and you can also manage your complete workbooks. You can browse recently unsaved files and you can restore them right from there. So that's basically how you can recover deleted Excel worksheet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.